Okay, here's the secret sauce about article marketing. You thought it was dead. I got my start in article marketing back in, I guess it was 2008 or so. I was a mathematics teacher. I actually built up a pretty nice part-time income just from article marketing. And then Google started going through all its gyrations, and I, as well as you, thought that article marketing was dead. But then I really started looking at what I had done. I have over 1,000 published articles on ezine articles alone. Okay, so I have cred when it comes to this. All right, I'm not talking about 5 or 10 articles. Um, I've got articles with 20, 30, 40, 100,000 page views that have made me thousands of dollars per article, but it's really hard to do that now. However, the way to start really crushing it, again, with article marketing, let's change this. Let's say super long tail keywords, all right? Is using super long tail keywords. Is using articles that are going to rank for searches where there is very, very little competition. And now that I've done part of this video, I think what I'm going to do in the next video is I'm going to show you Google AdWords, and I want to show you what, and we'll talk about Google Suggests, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about when I'm talking about super long tail keywords. Now, if you will go after super long tail keywords, these are keywords that are 4 or 5, maybe even 6 words long. Your articles will still rank. You may have to backlink them a little bit. Personally, I use OnlyWire. It does not take much backlinking to do that. OnlyWire is a social bookmarking service for super long tail keywords. You can do that. You follow the same thing that you used to do with article marketing. It helps to make your articles 500 words now or more. Again, you want the article to just be kind of general. Let the tags and let 1% of the words be the actual keyword phrase you're going after. Just like I said before with search engine optimization, you want a few really, really close, semantically close synonyms. That's one way of doing article marketing. The other way of doing article marketing, which still works, I noticed when I was doing a lot of article marketing to build up lists and stuff like that, that a lot of people would never find my articles in the search engine rankings. I knew this because I knew that that particular article was not ranked, but they would find them as the article appears on the front page of ezine articles. So another way of doing this is learning how to write articles really, really fast. And you can learn to write 7, 8, 9, 10 articles in an hour, okay? Is post those to ezine articles, and as they go through the home page for a while, and as people just kind of pick them up in new searches and things like that, you will get some traffic from that. But the main key here is the super long tail keyword issue. That will really, really work. So basically, you treat your article like a web page on a website. You get it ranked, or you get it published, and then you just do a little backlinking to it through OnlyWire. Okay. Now, I'm going to end this video and we're going to start another video because I'm trying to keep these videos short and bite-sized, but yet very pithy. I want them to have a lot of content. And we're going to switch over and we're going to go to Google AdWords, and we're going to look, and also Google Suggests, and we're going to look at some super long tail keywords.